top marijuana stocks to watch to close the week. In the past year, we have witnessed a great number of shifts in the cannabis industry. During that time, many pot stocks have had to change to help keep up with market demand and shifts in legislation. But in the past 3 weeks, the coronavirus has completely changed the way in which marijuana stocks are traded. Because of this, investors in the cannabis market are working to adapt their investment strategies to the current state of the industry. The coronavirus has caused the market to shed billions in value in only a short period of time it has been around. But in the past week, we have begun to see small gains begin to creep back into the market. Many cannabis investors are stating that there are certain pot stocks that are showing value simply due to their bottom dollar prices. A pot stock with ancillary value. Scott's Miracle-Gro Inc. is in no way a pure play pot stock. The company has made its fortune as a provider and producer of lawn care supplies. But in the past 2 to 3 years, the company has made its foray into the cannabis market by virtue of hydroponic grow supplies. It supplies these products through its wholly owned subsidiary, Hawthorn Gardening. Those who wish to grow cannabis but don't have the proper supplies can turn to Hawthorn to get advice and materials for growing indoor hydroponically grown marijuana. With this subsidiary, the company has been able to push its overall sales up by as much as 95% in the past several quarters. Hawthorn has produced sales of around $200 million for its 2019 fiscal year. This pot stock had a lot of investors' attention. Innovative Industrial Properties Inc. continues to be talked about across the cannabis market. The company is a REIT, which offers real estate services to those who wish to grow or process cannabis. In addition, many cannabis companies have a tough time getting capital to build out their production. Because of this, IIPR is an extremely valuable resource for those who are growing marijuana. The company has as many as 54 properties across many states in the US. What's really interesting is that the majority of its contracts are all in the ballpark timeline of 15 to 20 years. This means that the profitability for the company is extremely predictable for the foreseeable future. If all that doesn't make it look like an attractive pot stock, the company pays a dividend with a yield of around 5.5%. As it continues to see extensive growth in the next few years, IIPR is further illustrating its potential as a pot stock to watch.